Hi viewers, welcome to my Linux server video tutorial. Today I will show you how to install and configure DHCP server in our Linux machine. Here you can see that I'm opening my Linux server in VMware. To do this task, first we need to open terminal. I am opening it. At first we need to install this package. So the command is, I will use yum server to install DHCP package. The command is yum install DHCP install and then press enter, and from here press Y and then press enter again. Here you can see that my DHCP package has been installed successfully. Okay, now we'll configure DHCP server. So for configuration we'll use Vim editor and open PC dhcpd.conf and press enter. From here we'll copy this line, user shared doc dhcp star dhcpd.conf.sample. I'm copying it, and then I'm opening another terminal and then write vim and then space and then paste that, and from here we'll copy this section, a slightly different configuration for an internal subnet from here to second bracket close. I'm copying it, and then again we'll go to our previous terminal and I'll paste it here. Because if we want to anything in Vim editor, we press I. I'm pressing it, and then I'll paste the command. Viewers, from here we'll do something to configure our DHCP server. At first we'll remove hashtag from closing second bracket and also remove hashtag from range. Again we'll remove hashtag from subnet. Viewers, this is my Linux machine and its IP address is 192.168.31.129. This is a C class IP address, so I will use here C class subnet, its subnet mask and its range. So let's see. 192.168.1.0. this is the subnet and its subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and its range will be 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.100. This is the configuration of DHCP server. Now I will save and exit from this vMonitor. Okay, it's okay. Now we'll enable this package from our services window. So now I'm going here, system config services, then press enter. From here we'll find our DHCPD. This is DHCPD, and we'll enable it. Yes, I am enabling it, and then again run another command, service DHCPD start. Oh, yes, I think I have problem. I'll find out it, and then after find out I'll come back again. Okay viewers, it's configuration completed. Again I run another command, service DHCPD restart. Okay viewers, it's working okay. I have some mistake in my previous command. I will show you it now. I'm going vMonitor. I'm opening dhcpd.conf file. Press enter. Here's this is my IP address 192.168.31.120. So this is our network option 192.168.31. So obviously we need to use subnet within that network. So here's my subnet will be 192.168.31.0. the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and then its range also will be 192.168.31.1 to 192.168.31.100. Okay viewers, if you use this way, I think will be able to configure your DHCP server easily. I will save and exit from here. Yeah, yes, now we need to do another task. This is the if we want to use our DHCP server all times, we need to run another command. The command is sysconfig DHCPD on. If we run this command, our DHCP server always will be running. If we want to reboot our machine, we also get our DHCP server. But if we do not use sysconfig DHCPD space on, after rebooting our machine, we will not get IP address from our DHCP server. Yes, this is our DHCP server configuration and installation process. I will come back again in another tutorial by bringing another topics of our Linux server. Till then, okay, bye bye.